sure your toes are touching the rope for the one and only Captain Jack Sparrow. Now I need your help if you're ready to meet Captain Jack Sparrow all together, nice and loud. A great big yo-ho!
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 Everybody, even you with the stash, yo-ho!
Yo-ho!
There we go. Let me turn down this music box for Captain Sparrow. Right then, gather round. Time has come for those with adventuring spirits to be regaled and informed by none other than that world-renowned, notorious scourge of the seven seas, Captain Jack Sparrow himself! The captain has promised to uphold, keep, and educate in the skills and requirements needed in pursuing life in the pirate trade. Please assemble directly. Gather round. 'Tis time for Captain Jack Sparrow's pirate tutorial! If ye wish to learn useful and important survival skills as only can be taught by Captain Sparrow, gather round, as his arrival is imminent. Don't worry, lady, this will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity as soon as he gets here. So, in the meanwhile, I'll introduce myself. My name is Mac. Everybody say, hello, Mac.
Hello, Mac.
I work under the direct orders of Captain Sparrow. Says to me, go to the town square, gather a crowd for me pirate tutorial, and make sure the local constabulary ain't there. Hey! You ain't be with the authorities, would you? No? Explain your disguise as a giant tomato. Nothing, huh? I suppose you're good in that. I mean, here you are. Here I am, the good captain, nowhere to be found. So tell me, what is there to do?
All you can do is wait.
Here we stand waiting around for Jack Sparrow.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Buddy, I know. It's Captain Jack Sparrow has arrived!
My thanks. You're far too kind. Nicely done, Mac. You've done as I've asked. In spite of yourself. Nicely done. So, it's a pirate's life you claim to see. You don't seem like the usual sort. Attracted to the lure of this dark profession. You do, though. You are exactly what I expected. Perhaps I misjudged the rest of you. Do you seek adventure?
Yeah.
Do you seek a reputation as someone to be reckoned with?
Yeah.
Do you seek treasure beyond your wildest dreams? Well, it don't come easy, savvy. Take skill.
Skill!
Cunning.
Coming!
Talent.
Talent!
And very often patience.
Patience!
Mac, mine's running thin.
Sorry, Captain, I was just trying to be louder than that guy's tomato shirt.
All right, so let's put the lot of you to the test and then see if you've got what it takes.
Aye.
Right? Now, are you ready?
Yeah.
No. The captain asked, are you ready?
There it is. Thank you very much, Mac. Everyone listen to me. Looting and plundering may be all well and good, but the sailing together is hard work. So to begin, let's get you all working on developing necessary skills. All right? I want to see you raise your strong right arm in the air.
Come on, Swabs, up in the air with your starboard side. Or your left hand, that's good too.
Just one of them, I don't care which one. Push them down, push them down. Now the left arm, now the
With your port side, mateys.
I don't care if you're a baby, get that hand in the air.
Come on, baby.
Now let me see you use them both, hand over hand, like you're raising a sail.
Push the main and starboard port, then starboard port, then starboard port. Then you clap your hands. Nicely done.
Not bad for beginners.
Wonderful. I saw a lot of potential.
A lot of potential. Now during your journey some fine day, you might find yourself on the wrong side of an argument with your captain or crewmates.
Or both, based on your experiences, Captain.
That's not based on my experience. Should that occur, based on my experience, you might find yourself, how shall I say it?
Marooned in accordance with the
Mac,
pirate code.
Mac,
What of the captain?
Go rest.
Go rest?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Where?
Epcot. Should that occur, and a ship should pass you by, if you wish to save yourself, you'll need to attract their attention.
How?
You sit on your feet.
Okay,
Get
stand
up.
up.
On those legs. Come on.
Stand up.
Now, wave your arms.
Wave
back
your
and
arms.
forth over your heads. Yes. And jump up and down.
Follow my lead. Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me!
Well done. Well done indeed. I can see the rescue in my mind's eye. You've done very well.
Beg your pardon, Captain.
What?
In your honor, the crew has taken a calling those jumping jacks. Oh, she likes my joke.
Mike. That woman alone.
She loves me. She's showing me her ankles.
It was a caprice, Mac. I'm truly flattered, but I doubt I will be much remembered.
Well, what will be remembered?
That young man right there.
I knew it.
Are you coming with me? Of course you are. Is this your family? Well, they're way over there.
I'm your new daddy.
Young lady,
What's your name?
would you join me? You want to come?
Billy.
Of course you do. Up those stairs. And you know who I
There
want?
we go.
No, not
Honey,
you.
he's not
All
gonna
right.
he's
How
not
about
gonna
brother?
make you come.
There we go.
It's
Up the
okay.
stairs.
It's okay.
Beg your pardon,
He
Captain.
won't make you come.
I hate to interrupt. However,
It's okay.
I was wondering, Captain. She left.
Did she go?
She had candy. I was wondering,
What?
about? I had so much thought into that. What about
See, he told you he's not gonna get you. See?
that one right there?
That one right there?
Yes.
Why him?
Because he came on stage without your permission.
That'll just, all right, that'll do.
How about a round of applause for our volunteers?
All right, everyone, now look at me. Look at me. Yes, you look like just the sort I could count on in a scrape. So I need you to pay close attention. I say that because we will be undertaking our next subject, the delicate art of sword play.
Swordplay! Yeah! Yaga! Yaga yaga!
What?
The toothless one is freaking me out.
That's pretty freaky.
He's gonna kill me.
No, he's be quiet. All right, now for everyone's safety, but mostly mine, we are going to be using practice cutlasses that I had Matt make earlier. Right? Now, boys, can I trust you? Yes, I can. Good. Are we friends? Friendship's important, isn't it? It is, but a pirate's best friend is fear. And fear's weapon of choice is surprise. No! No! Savvy? So when it comes to fighting, only fight to win. The only rules are what a man can do and what a man can't do.
That's it.
Oh, was that right? Was it, mate? Was it?
What are you laughing at, Chuckles?
I don't know. Now, if you cannot beat the fellow that you're fighting, survival is the only way to win. So, you must distract and flee.
Distract and flee.
Mike, please don't do that. All right, everyone, now I will demonstrate, and then each of you are going to give it a try. You're enjoying that gum, aren't you? All right, good. Now it's 3 quick strikes.
3 strikes.
You hit them on that side.
To the right.
You hit them on the other.
To the left.
And then thrust to the belly.
To the belly.
Does that make sense?
Understood?
All right, good. Next, point your finger like this.
Yes.
And say, look,
What?
it's Blackbeard's daughter.
Where?
And you flee. You run over here and flirt. Aye. Come here often. Any questions? No good. Now, when they successfully... When they successfully flee, all of you have a very important job to do as well. I expect to hear you all say hoorah as they make their escape.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now I want to hear it. 1, 2, 3! Hoorah! There it is. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're first. Give me a... Not you, Mac, this one. Come on, you Mac.
You can tell he's a pirate.
How, Mac?
He's missing teeth.
Seasoned. It's
Yeah!
Now that side.
Yeah!
Thrust to the belly.
Yeah!
Excellent. Now point your finger. Say, look.
Look,
It's Blackbeard's daughter.
it's Blackbeard's daughter.
3, run, go! Hoorah! Young man! You hold on to that. You stand right down there for me. I'm so proud of you. You ready? All right. Grab on, you scoundrel.
You ready for a haircut? That's what he's ready for. What is it? Are you a ninja? Hit me! Yeah!
The other
yeah!
side. Thrust.
Yeah!
Point.
Blackbeard's daughter.
Whoa!
Where did you come from? You were born for this. Very nice. All right, Blondie. Come on. Grab on, Angel.
Oh, I don't know what's more ferocious, her face or the bright, sparkly purse.
All right, hit him, Angel.
Yeah!
Hit him.
Yeah! Yeah!
Freestyle. Nice.
Yeah!
That's it. Now point your finger.
Look, it's Blackbeard's daughter.
3, run! What are they putting in scrambled eggs this morning?
Now they're spectators.
That's right. Very nice. All right, you. Young man, now what's your name? Billy. Billy, do you want a challenge? You do? Get out of the way.
Hi, Captain.
Billy wants a challenge.
Billy is gonna fight Captain Sparrow! Billy, put up your sword and swing to the right! The left! The belly! Oh, that's not the belly. The belly's higher. Watch it, Billy. Point your finger. Say it, Billy!
She's not that attractive, Billy. Please! I scared myself. Come on, Billy. Very nice. Come over here, everyone. Come on.
Everybody stand with Captain Sparrow.
Come on over here, Billy. So proud of you, young man. Very nice. Now, I want you to raise those swords in the
Put up
air.
your swords.
Raise those swords in the air. Now, look out there at the
It's
front.
true.
I want you to look into their eyes and snarl. Let's imitate him. Tell them who you are, Billy. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Well done indeed.
She's half pirate, half soccer mom.
All right, you lot, come down here for me. Billy, everyone come over here. Stand right next to each other right there. Now, what other youngsters would like to join my group? Now's your chance. Raise those hands. Way up behind here. Wait for Captain Jack to choose you. All right? All right, come on. You. Yes, you. Come on, big man.
Oh, you are perfect.
Bring the ladies. Come on, right over there. There he is. All right, sweethearts. Come on. You.
Take one.
Where are those hands? Let me see you over there. There you are. There she is. Hello, Angel. Happy birthday to you. There he is, right over there. All right, sweetheart. I need to see your hands. I need to see your hands. Going once. Come on.
You know this is Disney World.
Yes, there he is.
Universal.
Come on. All right, then that is going to do it, Kyle. No more after this group right there. Come on. Now listen very carefully, everyone. Listen.
You made it.
Do you all want to pursue a life of adventure? Do you want to join my
Lady,
crew?
down here. Bring the kids with you.
Oh yeah.
Hello, boys. Now, if that is the case, then let me hear you all say, Yo ho! I believe they're worthy. Now, the only thing left is to take the official pirate oath. Matt, would you swear them in?
Scrolls in your right hand, nice and high. Turn around, face Captain Sparrow.
Here I am.
Signify your pledge to the captain loudly by saying I. Louder! Everybody!
Are you ready?
I!
Do you pledge to abide by the pirate code.
Aye!
You pledge to take only your fair share of the spoils acquired in our enterprise.
And if someone were to insult Captain Sparrow, you would spit in their...
Mag,
I mean, do you solemnly pledge to obey the commands of the captain? Even when placed in mortal danger? Or facing certain death?
we lost a lot of them on that.
Turn around, face the crowd.
All right.
I hereby proclaim each and every one of you crew members in the future service of Captain Jack Sparrow. 3 cheers. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip.
Well done indeed. Let's give them a fun round of applause. Come on, I want to hear it for them. Let's hear it. Yes. Well-deserved praise. Well-deserved praise. All right, everyone now. Down those stairs and return to your families. Come on, use the stairs. Find your family. And if you can't find your family, find a better one. All right. There they go. Feel free to linger. There's no rush. Hello, sweetheart. Matt, let's have a song.
Indeed.
Everyone, we are going to lead with a verse, but I want you to sing the chorus. Sing it out.
Everybody
Here we go.
sing!
Yo ho, yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
She's not singing!
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We finish, we plunder, we ride for the loot. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. We get up and ravish, don't get hurt. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. Come on, sing. Yo ho, a pirate's life.
Louder!
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We extort, we pilfer, we filch, we chat. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. Marauding, embezzling, leaving.
Hi, Jack.
Drink up, me hearties, yo ho.
This side! Yo ho! A pirate's life.
This side, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We're rascals and scoundrels, we're villains and knaves. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. We're devils and rats, you've really bad eggs. Drink up, me hearties, yo ho. Overwhelm us, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. This is it, yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Yo ho! They were wonderful. A crew that could sing like that can be trusted. Even if they knew there was a king's ransom waiting for him as the price on your head.
Surprise?
Oh, yes.
On my head?
Yes.
Ooh, King's ransom.
Yes.
And you just told them.
I would never do that.
Would not do. Look, it's Blackbeard's daughter.
Where?
On voyage, distracted me.
Captain, I'm pretty sure that Blackbeard's daughter didn't actually have a beard herself. How about a round of applause for Captain Jack Sparrow's pirate tutorial? And perhaps a round of applause for me! And lovers, remain in these clever disguises you're wearing once the captain has needs of you. He will send you a signal you won't miss. Right now, mum's the word and keep your powder dry.